So next step is to clean the glass off with an ammonia-based glass cleaner. So I just got the typical original Windex, and then I cleaned it off. Even though it looks clean, the service manuals mention using an ammonia-based type of Windex for it, and that's why we're doing that. So next step, I'm going to flip this back over because I think the front is on the other side. I'm going to put the outer gasket on to the windshield. Let's see, it might be a little backlit, but that's all right. Alright, got it on. Looks good. Looks like I need to clean it off again. It's all my fingerprints and stuff. This corner is being a little bit of a pain. So next step is just in this gully. I'm going to score it a little bit with some sandpaper, just a little bit. Probably don't need to do this, but I'm going to do it anyways. Just to do a better mating surface. There, and let me wipe it off. And I'm just going to wipe off all the dust. The little that it produced. Alright, and then I'm going to use this right here. It's a type of primer. Oh. It's making a mess. And I'm just going to go along this edge with it. I'm just wondering if like regular primer would work on it just as fine. Good enough. And then the video, the guy the video that I watched anyways, I think he used this on the actual windshield too, which I am not going to do. I mean, I guess I could, It's not going to hurt anything. Oh, and I just lost the rubber boot. This thing is made so cheap. I'm not gonna worry about that little. Ah, see, that's what I was afraid of. See, I'm getting overzealous. This shit is messy. Didn't show it this messy in the video. Alright, so we're ready to go on to the next part. So I gotta wait for some help to arrive on this, so that way, because it's going to take definitely 2 people to put the glass in. Is a DuPont, it says primerless, but I did use primer. The auto glass urethane adhesive. So wasn't sure what kind of gun this needed. I just got like a pop top right here, and it's almost like a lube tube, really. And then this end, I'm gonna have to cut another hole, but the gun that was on Amazon, I got it from Amazon, and what was most sold with it, or at least according to Amazon, was this gun right here. Now I've heard this is pretty thick stuff, and if you have one of those automatic guns like the cordless Milwaukee's or DeWalt, it would be easier, but yeah, I don't have time for that. So plus I'm starting to go DeWalt system, so like the DeWalt gun was like almost 200 bucks for it, so I couldn't justify getting it for just one windshield. However, I do have the windshield to do on that, so depending on how hard this is, I'll probably go ahead and get the gun. So if it's fine with this, then I'll just roll with it. But otherwise, I think I can get away with just using one tube on this. So, but we'll see. I do have another tube of it just in case. And if I can get away with one tube, then excellent. I've already got another tube for the other Jeep there, so. This is horrible.
I'm sorry.
Seriously gonna get carpal tunnel with this stuff. Show up to get eggs and want me to get it right when I can't stop doing
Don't jinx yourself. I mean, I'm here.
But I'm just saying, it's like Murphy's Law.
On the way here, I saw a sign in somebody's yard that said, Kennedy, 2024, and I was like,
That's better than the alternative.
I said, boy, did you call that?
No, it's FedEx.
Are you sure it's unmarked?
Yeah, it's FedEx. I'm expecting a delivery today.
me to go get it?
Wouldn't mind. I'm not sure what Mom's doing over there.
I don't want to step on her toe.
Huh?
I said, you might be done before he's out of the van, so your
Okay.
dad's out and about-ish.
My dad. Dad's not here.
Okay.
Mom's.
I saw somebody. I'm ready. What do you want me to do? Hold on, this came off here. I didn't do anything.
This is the wrong time for this to happen. Watch your fingers. Watch your... Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. Okay. Just dropped the door. Look at that. I don't know. That. Or did I forget to press? I might have forgotten to press play on it, which sucks. I didn't get any of that. Just the... Alright, so next step is to put the windshield on. I did order a new, you know, that rubber piece on the top? I did order a new one of those, but I figure I can put that on later while the Jeep's running around.
It tells you all the dangers and what to do.
Okay.
Where do you want this?
You can throw it in that junk pile right there.
Now you caught a paintbrush on it. Woo! Glad I didn't change into shorts. Good.
Why, you're cold?
Freezing.
Serious? I'm like sweating.